We're standing in front of the Ascent Victory Park. This is a beautiful luxury high-rise that's in the middle of Victory Park. And we're gonna take a tour of the Ascent. But before we do, I want you to see some of the outer, just the street life and what it's like here. So I'm actually gonna walk around just a little bit and point out just a few things about the area. First of all, right across the street is the American Airlines Center. That is an incredibly busy, fun, and that's the main venue for Dallas. So that's where the Dallas Stars, our hockey team, plays. That's where the Mavericks play, our basketball team. There's all sorts of events that happen right around here. And there's anytime any big name concert is happening, it's probably happening here at the American Airlines Center as well. It's a hub for a lot of activities and events. Right now it's Tuesday and it's in the afternoon. And so I wanted you to just get a feel of the area. This is actually the Ascent right here. And this is the garage part. And then outside, here's the Ascent, and it goes way, way, way up. I think it's 20 stories up there. So it's a beautiful high-rise. This street is called Houston Street, and then I'm walking a little bit more just so you can see it. And this is the Victory Park area. Look at this great Italian place right here, Mio Nomo, with indoor and outdoor dining. Isn't this awesome? So this is Victory Park, and Victory Park has a huge benefit in that you could literally walk to so much in just a few minutes. It seems like there's always something happening here, and you can walk to an incredible amount of things. There's kind of a courtyard over here to the American Airlines Center, and there's already some stuff happening over there at the courtyard. You see it up ahead? That courtyard is pretty active already. So let's walk more here and just kind of see what's happening. I just wanted you to get a good feel of the area and what's going on. Again, there's that American Airlines Center over there. And we're gonna just walk ahead and take a look at just all the fun that's here. This is really just a great area, y'all. Can you see how clean this area is too? It's all new. It's nice. Just feels great in here. And there's no, this is right next to downtown, but it's kind of got a downtown feel, but not really, because there's nothing old and crummy and dirty looking. Our downtown is pretty good, but generally when you think of downtowns, you think of just kind of old buildings and stuff. Nothing's old here. It's all new. It's all nice. So this would be the kind of walking environment you'd have. You could walk to the American Airlines Center in 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can walk to restaurants. If you go back down here and then just keep going just a bit more that direction, probably in about 3 to 5 minutes you're at a row of restaurants, and it's on the street called Victory Park. And then you can also walk to Uptown Dallas, and it's definitely walkable there. And then you can drive quickly to downtown, uptown, and a lot of other areas that just have a great lifestyle with restaurants, nightlife, and more. So you're at just a really, really good area. And I hope you're getting a vibe of it and seeing it. But this is just a fun area, y'all. Can't wait to go see the Ascent. So I'm looking forward to it. And let's go take a look at the Ascent. One thing I already noticed is to see those great lamps. This has a ski lodge feel. They've done it really, really well in here. So you're going to get to see kind of a ski lodge, but in an urban environment.